What's going on, guys? It's Ed Power Sports here today with a quick video on the 2025 Honda Goldwing. This is a touring model. It just got here from the factory, but let's take a closer look. This one, you can tell, is an automatic DCT. There is no clutch. I mean, there's no gears, but this is how your bike comes. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are looking for a 2025 Honda Goldwing, this is a 50-year anniversary automatic DCT touring model. You just found it. It's here at Rick Case Honda Motorcycles in Davie, Florida. It is available. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments or send me an email. I'll have my information down in the description. And I hope you guys have a great day. This is a beautiful motorcycle, 2025 Honda Goldwing. Thanks for watching, ladies and gentlemen, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for following, share, and subscribe.